Hey guys, it's Natalie and welcome back to my channel. Now, this week, I think it would be a good idea to create my favorite snack into a cake. So, I found this thing on Instagram. It was a relay. It only needs 3 ingredients. So, I'm going to tell you what it is when I get back with all the stuff. And Oreo is squeaking the toy. And by the way, I am back home. I was at my friend's house for 4 days and 3 nights because I was like, might as well get some fun time while I can. Oreo. Shh. Or not. No, you can't climb on the couch, baby. You're not a cat. But without further ado, let's get started. So I got 2 bowls. Glass can go in the microwave, which is good. So this will be the bowl for the end when I put the cake in. This is going to be making the mix, and this is going to keep the cream separate as it was in the video. So what I got at the store, I couldn't find double stuffed, so I got just regular cookies. I'm going to leave, I think, 2 or 3 for the ending. I got this to melt the chocolate. And then I got the baking powder. So I'm not sure we have it. We also have the vegetable oil and all that stuff. And there's the little thing of oil. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the filling, separate it from the cookies. And I'm just going to put the cookies in here and mash them all together. Because we didn't have Ziploc bags. We had sandwich bags. And I don't want to waste them. So I'm just going to mash them in the bowl. I'm going to use this Wix thing to mash the Oreos. So instead of using this spoon. Which will be hard. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift these. Oh, they're little. And now we're going to carefully open them. Jesus. Whoa, okay. This is harder than I thought. There we go. Okay. And then we separate the cream. It's not a lot of cream, and that's why there's going to be a lot of Oreos. I'm going to speed through this part because this is going to take a while. The plus side is that it only takes 6 minutes in the microwave, so that's a good thing. I'll see you guys when I am almost done with this part. Okay, we got the Oreos in the bowl. Now they're really crunched up, and I left some big pieces in there. So now, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is new. I got Oreo on me, and oh. spoon. I kind of hope this turns out really good. I really do. I hope this turns out well. I'm gonna edit this video tomorrow. We have the filling. Okay. That's what the spoon was for, because I gotta get this out in here. Do is we're gonna do the other bowl. We gotta put oil around the side, just a little bit more. Okay, that's a lot. Oops, it's fine. Okay, now I believe we put the parchment paper on. The parchment paper is the worst. That works, I guess. Okay, now we pour this right in there. Okay. Now I believe we put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna let the cake sit. Or I want to see what it looks like. Honestly, it looks amazing. Like, not bad. So I'm going to let that sit in there, though. So that way I can make the covering of the chocolate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit you guys on some cooking utensils. It works. I'm going to turn on the light. Freaking see anything. That's probably way better. I think this way is better. So I'm just gonna take some milk, put it in a little pan. I'm gonna break this apart before I open it. I got 2 of these. I'm gonna do one right now and see what happens. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and open this. Just place it in there. I did not start it yet. I should have. Okay, and now we're gonna turn it on. I just gotta figure out which one it is. This one. Okay. I'm gonna put it right there. We're gonna let that melt a little bit. I'm gonna put the cake in for I think another minute. So now I have to flip this cake. And it's hot. So we're gonna be as careful as possible. Okay, we're gonna let it fall. Okay, it's going. We're gonna give it a little shake. And the parchment paper already fell off. So look at that. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. It's a little dented. This is before like the cream and stuff. It's kind of cute. But there's a little dent, but other than that, it looks good. It smells good. So now I melted the chocolate. So we're gonna take this, go dip a little bit, and we're gonna spread it around. Spread it around. This looks amazing. I didn't think I could make something like this, but this is gorgeous. It's like a lava cake. I could try to make that next. Like a lava cake in the microwave. So I can do this now. Honestly, not bad. Oh, the bowl's there. It's okay. It's right there. Now what we're gonna do, we have a roll of Oreos. Show that it's an Oreo cake. I'm gonna put an Oreo in the center. Okay, the Oreo's not cutting. Of course we have to run into something else. I killed the Oreo, but it's fine. Okay, it was cute. That one's a little, the dent was hard to cut for some reason. 4 even pieces. So we're gonna take this piece right here. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put this in plastic wrap. So now we're gonna try it. My eye itches, but that looks amazing. It's a little chewy, but it'll probably go better with milk, since Oreos and milk go together. But this is delicious. I'm so happy this worked. Oh my god, now I have like a cake to make for my friends at college for like if their birthday happens. I have a cake idea. But anyways, that's all for this week's video. Comment down below if you have any stuff that you want me to cook. I've been trying to plan to do the pizza challenge. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what that is. I need somebody to do it with. So I've been planning I was thinking maybe either Kelsey, Savannah, or Natalie. I'm gonna see which one is more available when I'm available and see what happens. But anyways, love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I noticed that a lot of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So what the heck you doing? What you doing? I'll give you 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, I forgot how to count, 2, 1. There's a fly in here. But if you click subscribe, welcome to the family and enjoy the adventure, because this is the best adventure. I love this cake. But love you guys and see you next Saturday. Bye.